Hi friends, welcome to networking tutorial. In this video, we will see how to add c3725 and c7200 Cisco images on the EVNG. So let's get started. और हाँ, अगर आप how to download the WinSCP ये वाला वीडियो नहीं देखे हैं तो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में या फिर आई बटन में वीडियो लिंक मिल जाएगा. You can check out there. So this is our WinSCP site. The left hand side is use system directory and the right hand side is the EVNG directory. So we'll go to the path for EVNG, OPT, Unit Lab, add-ons, Dynamics. Next, we will copy the images that is available in our system directory to this path. Next, we will go to the unit lab and click on the properties, and here we'll check the octal value should be 0755. Next, we will go to any browser and here we'll give the IP of your VM. That is EVNG VM. Login. Next, open the home page for EVNG. Create lab. Next, right click on any area. Add a new node. And here we can see the Cisco IOS. We can choose anyone and select the images and icon according to your requirement. Click on save. So in this way you can use the Cisco IOS 3725 and 7200 images. So stay tuned with me for the next video. Thanks for watching.